Hey, Diane here from Vermont Lavender, and today I want to talk about labeling my soaps. So this is a chocolate mint soap, and these are the labels that it's like a little, they call it a cigar band, and it just adds to the soap. And so I cut these little things like here, like that. And I just, and then I have my tape right here. It's a little dispenser, and I just cut it really small. You can just use regular tape if you want to, because it doesn't really show once I put the other label over it, but I don't know. I just like to use that, I guess. So, I just put it together like this. And I put this on top, and then what I will do after this, and I've done a whole slew of these right here, is I will weigh these. I'll weigh them, and then I will count how many, and then I'll create the labels for that. And so this is like one of them. It's a chocolate espresso. Let's see if I can get that close enough so you can see it. So that's the chocolate espresso right here, but see, it has that nice band, and then I put a label on the back of it right here, and it just makes it look really, really nice for the customer. And so I have several of those that you can just see what it looks like. Let's see here, just try to show you that and see. It just really makes it look really nice and very pretty. And when I do have my store, the only thing is I will have to change this because the light does affect the soap. It actually, when you have it in the light, like even fluorescent light or even sunlight's really not good for soaps, it'll actually bleach it. It'll take the color out. So that's over time though. Excuse me. Then I have like these little, these are like little ends that I can't really use, but I like to put this in with my orders, and I will put one of these labels, probably this one, because it has the ingredients on it, and it's nice for the customers to, excuse me, know what that is. So this is a little bit bigger one. It's kind of really too big. I'll probably use that. And so these are just like the ends of the soaps, and so I send that out. So I have plenty more to label that I'm doing, and this just takes a little while. And I use this cutter right over here. Let me see if I can show that to you. Show that here. So this is a cutter that I use. Get my phone out of the way. And so what I do here, so just to show you, I have my paper right there, and it's on like a little, it's like on a little zigzag. It's really kind of hard to see it, but it's a little bit of a scallop. So I put it like that, and it cuts it. And that's my band, and that's what I use. And this is something I'm doing right now. It just really adds to the soap product, especially when I do like the gift baskets and things like that. It really makes it look very pretty. Also, I want to say, if you want to subscribe to my channel and like me and like this video, it helps to grow my YouTube channel, so I'm able to show you more about labeling the products and how to present them and how to make the products, like the soaps and lotions and things like that. And like here I have a bunch of lip balms, so stuff like that. So if you could like my channel and subscribe, that would be great. And here you go. So this will be used to label the soaps. I want to show you my Lavender Vanilla. This has a nice pearl and it's violet mica. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but it has a little bit of shimmer to it. And this is the label. So I tape that on the back, then I'll put my back label and then the front label. So what I do here, let me back it out a little bit, is I have, like, these are different sizes or weights that I've measured for each one, and then I'll go and print out my labels to put on front, and that'll have the weight on it for the customer. So here I just want to show you real quick are some other ones, and this is cinnamon cocoa, and these have little coffee beans right on top here, right there. And so it's a real small bar, but it's nice, you know, you could use it for hand washing or for the body, or it makes a great gift. But also it's nice, what people want to do when they do receive this is just take off these, it's just for appearance, these little coffee beans. So you just take that off and then use the soap, because you don't want that going down the shower. So that's how I seal it too, is I have this here, it's a shrink wrap, and I put the seam on the bottom, and that's where the customer will tear it. You can have it on top, but it's nice to have a nice clear smooth top here. And I don't know if you can see this in here, but it has a little bit of copper mica, and this is all skin safe. And then again, I just have little samples for my customers, and I will put a label on this, and I can send it out so they can see what different soaps I have, and just gets the different varieties that I offer for my customers. All right.